So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 14th of April and right now the time is 2 o'clock and it's freaking 33 degrees out there and it's so hot with lot of humidity. So it's been a while, let's keep this going. I haven't uploaded anything on the channel from many days, but I have two videos lined up and I'll be uploading them sooner or later. And the plans for today is going to be very simple, neat and clean. Me along with my friend, we both are going to visit Humayun Tomb first and then Purana Kila and then Saftarjung Tomb and then Lodi Garden. I have 4 places to visit on my today's itinerary because I have no college today and I have no reels to upload. So let's see how am I going to make it. I'm gonna keep my vlogs very small, short and simple because it's going too big, more than 10 minutes. See you at the metro station. Bye. It's freaking 35 degrees and just look at my classmate who is obviously an idiot. He has completely dressed in idhar dikha chehra, black and black. Now he is going to suffer. भाई ये बैग पकड़ ले. हाँ सब मैं ही पकड़ूँ क्या? बिल्कुल. So it's going to be a fun day. I have at least one person to carry my gimbal. It's 3:45 and it literally took me 1 hour 45 minutes to reach this place and I have taken 3 metros and 1 e-rickshaw and then I am here at Isa Khan Tomb. Just beside this there is Humayun Tomb. It's time to remove my camera and then install the gimbal and shoot. I'll be adding every reel and shot on separately, not in this clip. It's 4:30 right now and after reaching the venue I have assembled my camera and the gimbal and I have started shooting some clips, and after shooting 3 clips they have stopped me using my gimbal. They have forced me to keep my gimbal in the bag and I'm shooting with handheld. It's difficult to shoot with handheld once you are habituated using the gimbal, but at least I got some 3 good shots. And this is Isa Khan ka tomb. I have captured the exterior. Let's go and check what's with the interior and shoot something. And my boy is just resting under the shade and I'm shooting and I'm sweating badly. Hard work. Chalo andar chale. So this is the interior of the Isa tomb. These are the tombs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to Humayun Tomb, capture some good visuals, hoping for the best output at least with the handheld shots. I need to stabilize them a lot. And it's 5 o'clock. We are at Humayun Tomb. This is Humayun Tomb and we have chosen the wrong day to explore the place because today is B.R. Ambedkar Rao Jayanti and it's public holiday and everyone is visiting, so it's okay, no problem. Trying to shoot everything without gimbal, managing. Right now we are at the top of the Humayun Tomb and that's the view from the top. Let's keep shooting, man. It's 6:30 right now and just done with the sightseeing of Humayun Tomb. Actually, the closing time is only 5:30, but there is so many people and it will take time to evacuate all of them. So after Humayun Tomb, the plan was to visit Purana Killa, Saftarjung Tomb and Lodi Garden, but I'm so exhausted and literally my camera is also about to die. So I think we are just gonna have some quick snacks or dinner and then go back to our respective rooms. I'm hoping that at least I have got some good shots of the Isha tomb, Isha Khan ka tomb, na? Isha Khan ka tomb, and then Humayun tomb. There's one particular spot where I literally sat for 25 minutes to get the perfect shot, and I got the perfect shot. See you in some time. So this is how you get down when you don't have the energy to use the steps. It's 7:30 right now and we are at Lajpat Nagar. We have surfed over Google and we found Ambarsari Dhaba is the best place to have non-veg. There are some good reviews about the place. So right now we are on cycle rickshaw. बहुत बुरा लगता है यार जब ये लोग 50 रुपए के लिए इतना मेहनत करके चलाते हैं 2 किलोमीटर. हम 2 किलोमीटर 50 रुपये दे के जा रहे हैं और ये 2 किलोमीटर 50 रुपये लेके हमें उधर पहुंचा रहा है. Life is so hard, so struggleful. But we have walked literally so much, from the metro station to here and while sightseeing. सीधा भैया सीधा बता के लेफ्ट बता रहा है यहाँ से. So we have ordered tandoori chicken, butter chicken, green salad and with rumali roti. First bite after a long time. Let me enjoy the dish. ब्राह्मण खा रहा है. यार कितना सही है मटन. जूसी है, बहुत जूसी है यार. After one long month, बहुत स्मूथ भी है. मज़ा आ रहा है. क्या आ रहा है? मज़ा आ रहा है. It's 9:30 and done with sightseeing and I have just reached home after having a good dinner. We had butter chicken, tandoori chicken, rumal roti and some mutton biryani. Oh my god, that was so delicious. Now I can sleep peacefully. Had some good food, especially non-veg after a long time, It was one complete hectic day. I just regret at the monuments because gimbal is not allowed, man. It was difficult to shoot with handheld, Let's see how the output turns out. Hoping for the best, that's it. I have college to attend tomorrow, so I'll end this vlog here and see you in some other vlog and other sightseeing. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog. Bye.